Scots last year, and I have been very naughty in not vlogging for over a month. Yes, I know. You don't have to tell me. Terrible. Terrible. Right, so off we go. We're going to the CPF because they're in the process of selling boerewors rolls by the pick and pay. Alright, so as you can see, it's a beautiful summer's day. That means I need to put my safety belt on. I couldn't be more happy that it's summer and that the sun is shining and that it's warm and I don't have to wear sleeves and I don't have to wear tights and jackets and look like a Michelin man. So as you know, I love summer and woo! Right, so everybody lately is talking either about the Miley Cyrus story where she's just completely fucking fallen off the bus and is twerking all over Twitterville, and the pictures that are going around are just quite disturbing. I don't know what's happening with that girl, but yeah, and the letter that Sinead O'Connor sent to her about prostituting herself is quite right, actually. And I really hope that she stops her fucking nonsense and gets back on the bus, the Hannah Montana bus, because everybody liked her then. And another thing, we're talking about Britney Spears. Her new song came out this week, didn't it? Yeah.
It's quite disgusting, actually.
No, it's not disgusting.
It is.
No,
I know the song's nice, but the...
Oh, you mean the swearing in it? Work bitch.
Yes.
Right, okay. So, it's a bit of a naughty word, but it's a good song. I actually quite like it, believe it or not. I'm not one for commercial pop music, but it definitely does get your foot tapping and you want to boogie on down. And, yeah, at least she's got her fucking clothes on this video. Okay, very scantily dressed, I may add, but at least it's done tastefully, you know. It's not like she's sticking her tongue out and grinding her ass on somebody's crotch.
We're at the McDonald's.
McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken and the Pizza Hut. So today I'm making cake pops for the first time in my kitchen. I've got this little silicone mold for making cake pops, and I've seen them all over Pinterest, and I thought I'll give them a go for my pajama party themed dinner next weekend. Now, before I actually make them for the dinner next weekend, I thought that I would try them out the week before in case they're a complete fuck up, then I'll ditch the idea. So I've made the batter. Here's the batter for the cupcakes, and that will go in shortly. And this is the silicone cupcake molds which I've sprayed with good old spray and cook. I have, just to keep me going, a little bit of caramel vodka. Cheers! Caramel vodka always makes making cupcakes or being in the kitchen more interesting. And it makes me more interesting, I suppose. And of course it wouldn't be the same without my trusty glass of wine and pretzel snacks. If they're an entire flop, I might not even let you know. In the mixture goes, and now we put the tops on. So the cake pops are now in the oven, and yeah, we'll see how they come out. I'm not too sure about this one. I just have got, you know when you just get a really crap feeling about something? Yeah, I think this is going to be a fuck up. But anyway, we're going to try, and it might have made it a wee bit easier if I was sober. I have got 12 to 15 minutes to kill before my cake pops are ready, so I figured I would have a Hunter's Gold in a wine glass. Pretend it's wine because I'm all out of wine. Are you with me? Woo! Cheers. Getting wasted in the kitchen with Hunter's Gold. in a wine glass. Rockin'. Woo! 5 minutes to go, bitches. Oh wait, hang on. I don't think I should have opened the oven. I have decided that while I wait for the bell to ding and my cake pops to be ready, I'm being optimistic here, they are going to come out okay. I figured that I really need a new intro for my vlogs. It is so boring. I've had the same intro for like half a year and it's actually starting to piss me off. But I'm not very good with video editing, so
It's the wine working.
anyway, so I'm really tired. Megan, I can see you behind me cocking me around. So I figured I need a new vlog intro. The one that I've got is way too old and way too boring, but I am way too uncreative. That's actually the toilet that's making that noise. Yeah, I'm still waiting for the toilet to be fixed.
Yeah.
Oh. Anywho, I think this is the first time that I've actually vlogged drunk. Wait, I'm not drunk, I'm just tipsy. Yeah, I'm not like completely wasted or anything. I'm just a bit tipsy. So, yes, back to the intro. If anybody has any really funky ideas about a vlog intro for a Daft Scots lass, please let me know, because I am really not feeling very creative right now and I can't find any really good music that fits me, apart from Jack White of course, but you know, I want something like ding, 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 like jingly, if you know what I mean, like a
Chinese music.
Chinese music. No, forget that. Not Chinese music. Like a real good jingle. So any jingle writers out there, please contact me. Leave a comment in the section below or on my blog. I'll contact you and we can jingle together. How's that?
Yes.
I think that's a good idea. Actually, I think that's a fucking rockin' idea. Jingle! Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Okay, so the cake pops are done, but I think they're going to be a fuck up because some of the stuff has coming out the wee holes here, and I don't think that's what's supposed to happen. Also, I see that this part of the silicone has bubbled here, you know, like made like a big fat bit. Look, Megan! So I'm putting the wee sticks in. Okay, you can see I put too much mixture in, so it's like sort of come out around the edges, but they're ball shaped, and that means that that's pretty much a fucking win in my kitchen. Cake pops, bitches! See you later, alligator!
You're recording.
That's all for now, plonkers. See you next time. Bye!